Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, an observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. Okay. So let AB be the palm tree. Let us suppose to take AB be the palm tree and CD be the observer. Okay. So let AB be the palm tree and CD be the observer. Okay. So it is given in the question that an observer of height 1.8 meters. So height of the observer is 1.8 meters. That means CD value is 1.8 meters. Okay. So CD is 1.8 meters. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So he is 13 meters away from the palm tree. That means the distance between the foot of the palm tree and the foot of the observer is 13.2. Okay. So he is at a distance of 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. That means AC value is 13.2. Okay. So AC is the distance between observer and palm tree. Okay. AC is the distance between observer and palm tree. Okay. So AC value it is given that 13.2 meters. Okay, 13.2 meters. Okay. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from its height is 45 degrees mentioned in the question. Okay, so angle of elevation of top of the tree from the eyes of the observer, so is 45 degrees. So that means angle BDE, let us suppose to take this DE as the horizontal line. Okay, so angle BDE is the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the eyes of the observer is 45 degrees mentioned in the question. Okay, so angle of elevation, angle BDE equal to 45 degrees mentioned in the question. Okay, now from the figure AC value equal to DE value. Okay, so AC equal to DE, you can take, and AE value is equal to CD value. Okay, so from the figure AC value equal to DE value. Okay, so that means AC value is 13.2 meters given. Okay, so 13.2, so DE value equal to 13.2 and CD value equal to AE value. Okay, so CD value equal to CD equal to AE. So CD it is given that 1.8 meters. Okay, so here 13.2, so DE value we have obtained is 13.2. so this DE is adjacent to this 45 degree and BE is opposite to this 45 degree. That means opposite by adjacent. So if you apply tan here, we can find the value of BE. Okay, so in triangle BDE, okay, in triangle BDE, if you apply tan, okay, so tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent. That means BE by DE. Okay, so tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, we know that. So we apply here tan 45 equal to BE by DE. So it implies the tan 45 value, we know that tan 45 equal to 1. That means 1 equal to BE by, so DE value we have obtained is, so DE we have obtained is 13.2. Okay, so 13.2 meters. So 13.2 comes to the left side and gets multiplied with the left side term. That means BE value equal to 13.2 meters. Okay, so BE we have obtained 13.2. Okay, BE we have obtained 13.2 and AE value 1.8. So we have to find AB. Okay, what is the height of the palm tree? It is asking the question to find the height of the palm tree. So height of the palm tree AB. Okay, so therefore height of the palm tree AB equal to AE plus BE. Okay, so from the figure AB value equal to AE plus BE. If you add AE and BE, we get AB value. Okay, so AE value here obtained is, AE value is 1.8. Okay, so 1.8 meters plus BE value is 13.2 here. Okay, so 13.2 meters. So 1.8 plus 13.2, that means 15 meters. So this is the height of the palm tree. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, in the adjacent figure AC equal to 6 centimeters, AB equal to 5 centimeters and angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so find the area of the triangle. So in the adjacent figure, so this in the adjacent figure, So AC value is 6 centimeters. AC value is 6 centimeters. AB value is 5 centimeters. And angle BAC is 30 degrees mentioned in the question. So find the area of the triangle. So we have to find the area of this triangle. So, okay. So in order to find the area of triangle, so we know that the formula to find the area of triangle is half BH. Okay. So half base into height. Okay. So half into base into height. That means if we consider AC as base, so let us draw a line BD perpendicular to AC. So this BD is the height. Okay. So now, so first write the given data. Okay. So given AC equal to 6 centimeters and AB equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. It is given in the question. Okay. So now first draw BD perpendicular to AC here. Okay. So we have to draw a line BD perpendicular to AC. That means this BD will become as height of the triangle ABC. Okay. So now in triangle BAD, so we have to find the value of BD. Okay. So this BD is opposite to 30 degrees angle. Okay. So here hypotenuse is AB. Since this BD is perpendicular to AC, that means here angle BDA becomes just 90 degrees. The side opposite to this 90 degrees is hypotenuse here AB. So therefore AB is considered as hypotenuse. So we have to find the value of BD. So that means, so opposite by hypotenuse. So if we apply sine here, we can find the value of BD. Okay. So in triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD, so sine 30 equal to BD by AB. Okay. So sine 30 equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 30 value, we know that sine 30 value equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 equal to BD by AD value is, sorry, BD by AB value is 5. Okay. So BD by AB. Okay. So here sine 30 equal to opposite by hypotenuse is AB. Okay. So BD by AB. So AB value is 5 centimeters. Okay. So this 5 gets multiplied with the left side term. That means BD equal to 5 by 2 meters. Okay. So 5 by 2 centimeters BD value. So now, therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Half into AC is the base and BD is the height. Okay. Half into AC into BD. So equal to half into AC value is 6 centimeters cube. Okay. And BD value we have obtained is 5 by 2 centimeters. Okay. So 2 3 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. 15 by 2 centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So 15 by 2, that means 7.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of triangle ABC. So this is the answer.